Let's create an automation that sends AI-generated messages every hour. First, copy the Google Sheets template to your Google account. This template has all the code required to use artificial intelligence to send bulk custom messages. This can be used to warm up a new WhatsApp number. In the parameters sheet, you must enter the required configuration. Select an active phone number from the channels configured in ToChat. Paste the phone number in the required field. Go to your ToChat account to get the API key. You will find it in your profile page. Paste the API key. Now, we will use the Groq service to use a language model to generate our custom WhatsApp messages. We can generate the API key from the console. You must copy the API and save it, because it won't be displayed later. Click on Create API Key and enter a name. The key will be generated after you click on Submit. Remember to save the key for use it later. Paste the API key in the required field. The automation will send tips about a topic. Enter the required topic in the corresponding field. In this case, we will send a message related to personal finances. The automation must work only in working hours, so you enter the start and finish hour. The hour will use the time zone of your account. Now you must enter a list of phone numbers where the messages will be sent. Add a contact name and a language. The automation will generate a custom message for every destination. Thanks to the AI, you can send messages in several languages. Now, it's time to give our code execution permissions and configure the schedule. Select the Generate Bulk Messages function and click on Run. This will trigger the permissions flow. Accept all the permissions. Now we can proceed with the triggers configuration. This is where you can schedule the automation execution. Click on Triggers. Click on Create a new trigger. Select Generate Bulk Messages as the function to run. In the event source, select Time Driven. Now select hours or minutes, depending on the interval you want to send messages. And select the desired interval. You can configure the trigger to send notifications when the execution fails. Now every time interval, a custom WhatsApp message with some tips will be sent to every phone number in the list.